Welcome to the Sharjah Animal and Bird Market, a unique destination for all animal lovers located in the heart of Sharjah, UAE. This market is one of the most largest and most diverse animal markets in the region. As you enter the market, you will be surrounded by a vibrant atmosphere of sights and sounds. Here, you will find a vast array of animals and birds, from exotic parrots to colorful macaws to cute puppies and fluffy kittens. You can also see majestic falcons and hunting birds, along with various species of reptiles and fish. One of the most exciting things about the Sharjah Animal and Bird Market is that it offers a chance to interact with animals. You can hold and pet some animals like the bunnies and birds. You can even take home a new furry or feathered friend as a pet. Overall, the Sharjah Animal and Bird Market is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the diverse and fascinating culture of UAE. So why not come and discover it for yourself? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content like this.